If you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 without using your phone, then you have two options. The first one is to go to settings, over here scroll down in order to find general, and then go over here, scroll down to find reset. And if you go over here, then you should be able to proceed and factory reset your smartwatch. Now this is one of the ways. Another way to factory reset your smartwatch is by going to recovery mode. To do so, we need to force restart or reboot your Galaxy Watch 8. Press and hold these two buttons over here and just keep holding until the screen turns off. There we go. Now once you see the Samsung rebooting text, you need to keep pressing this home button until you are in this reboot mode. And over here you need to keep pressing the home button until you have recovery selected, and then press and hold the home button. There we go. Now we're gonna wait a couple of seconds to let the smartwatch go into the recovery mode. There we go. After a couple of seconds you should have access to Android recovery mode, and over here you can keep swiping up and down in order to choose the wipe data / factory reset option. And if you go over here, you need to confirm your choice by pressing the home button, so select it, and then over here choose factory data reset, and once again confirm by pressing the home button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.